Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Williams local and long distance movers near me. You should not handle your relocation by yourself or hand it over to a non professional. Instead, you should hire a firm with the necessary experience and expertise to see your move through successfully. The firm must be reliable, dependable, and efficient. 3Movers is such a firm, and we are very close to you here in Williams, Arizona. We are your best bet whenever you are undertaking a relocation. We are always available and accessible to our clients, making sure to come through for them regardless of where they are in the country. We are the best long distance moving firm you will find, and with the right equipment, dedicated and disciplined drivers, along with fantastic customer service, you can be sure that you will get value for your money. With us, your trip is in safe hands. Regardless of the dangers they might pose, we do not shy away from relocations and are always ready to embrace the challenge to see clients settled quickly into their new environment. Not only do we provide quality services to our customers, but we also make sure to prioritize security too. The relationship we've managed to cultivate over the years with the relocation authorities help us in this regard. We also provide a comprehensive insurance plan that protects our clients from all incurred risks during and after the relocation. If you patronize us, you can be sure that we will offer you a moving package that considers your unique moving requirements, schedule, and budget. These packages set us apart from the competition. If you want a perfect and excellent moving experience, you should reach out to us today. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Williams Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.